Welcome, e-commerce fans, to the ultimate showdown. Today, two heavyweights clash. In this corner, the reigning champion, Shopify. And in the other, the ambitious challenger, Fourthwall. The crowd is going wild. Who will dominate the digital marketplace? We'll break down their moves, analyze their strengths, and crown a winner. Get ready to rumble! First up, the champ. Shopify, the undisputed king of e-commerce, powers millions of online stores. It's a one-stop shop for everything: website building, payment processing, you name it. Now for the challenger. Fourthwall empowers creators to build thriving businesses. It offers tools to sell directly to fans, from physical merch to digital downloads. It's all about empowering creators. Get ready, folks. The battle is about to begin. Let's dive into some of Shopify's most impressive stats and facts. Did you know that over 4.4 million stores trust Shopify to power their online presence? That's right. Millions of entrepreneurs and businesses rely on Shopify to showcase their unique products and designs. That's a staggering number of online businesses, each contributing to the vibrant e-commerce ecosystem. And it gets even more impressive. Shopify has processed over $633 billion in sales. Well, that's a mind-blowing amount of transactions. But it doesn't stop there. Shopify offers countless apps and themes to help you tailor your store to your specific needs. You can truly customize your store to your heart's content, making it as unique as your brand. Plus, they have excellent customer support to help you along the way. Whether you need technical assistance or business advice, Shopify's support team is there for you. But wait, there's more. Shopify is constantly evolving, adding new features and functionalities to stay ahead of the curve. They're always one step ahead, ensuring that your business has the tools it needs to succeed in the ever-changing digital landscape. Don't underestimate Fourthwall. This platform is more than just a tool, it's a game changer for content creators. They're a force to be reckoned with, especially for creators who want to elevate their brand and connect with their audience on a deeper level. They focus on building a community and engaging with fans, creating a space where creators and their followers can interact seamlessly. Fourthwall makes selling merch and digital products a breeze, offering a variety of options to suit any creator's needs. They handle everything from printing to shipping, ensuring that products are delivered quickly and efficiently. Creators can focus on what they do best: creating. Fourthwall takes care of the logistics, so creators can concentrate on their passion. Their platform is intuitive and user-friendly, designed to make the process as smooth as possible. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can set up your store in a flash. The platform guides you through each step with ease. Fourthwall is all about empowering creators. They provide the tools and support needed to turn creative visions into reality. So who emerges victorious in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce? Shopify is a powerhouse, offering everything you need to build a successful online business, from customizable templates to robust analytics. Fourthwall is a game changer for creators, providing tailored solutions for fan engagement and monetization, making it easier for artists and influencers to thrive. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs and goals. Are you a business looking for a comprehensive solution with extensive features? Choose Shopify for its all-in-one capabilities. Are you a creator looking to connect deeply with your fans and monetize your content? Go for Fourthwall, which is designed with creators in mind. The e-commerce battle rages on. Who will you choose to elevate your online presence and achieve your goals?